Good morning, everyone. Look at this. This is my dad's truck. It's a Chevy Avalanche. Hey Dad, what year is this thing? 07? All right, we got an 07 Chevy Avalanche. You can see this plastic that once was black and shiny is now like almost white, chalky, and dull, right? All over. This truck has plastic everywhere. And we are gonna do our best to turn this thing around using this stuff. I just hope that there's enough in here to get around this thing. There's a lot of plastic on here. I think that's what I'm gonna title the video. Will CERAKOTE Trim Coat Kit get around a Chevy Avalanche? This will be the test. I'm not sure if it says on the box. I didn't read if it says I needed to get something more for a Chevy Avalanche. Probably not. It doesn't have it on. I doubt it does. Anyways, we're gonna just do an exterior. We're gonna try to bring this thing back to life. Make this gray. What the heck is that? It's got a glob of gum. Jesus, birds, you guys are gross. All right, yeah, we're gonna try to turn this thing around, make it look good as new. That's my dad right there. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
We'll get back to you, see what we got. I already did the back wheel. The only thing I did so far was clean the back wheel, and we're trying to figure out what we're gonna do about the clear coat and corrosion that's happening underneath. I don't have any Brillo pads. I thought I did. I don't. I'm trying to use that. But anyways, wish us luck. We'll be back shortly with the conclusion and results. I'll probably do a little bit in between, have my dad film me applying the CERAKOTE on there, and show you the transformation, the immediate transformation that it does. Because hey, I'll bring you over here quick. My FJ was looking not quite as bad as that Avalanche was, but it was looking pretty bad. Pretty gray, pretty chalky. And I used the CERAKOTE on the FJ, and you can almost see my reflection in the plastic. And this was done months ago, and it looks like I just did it yesterday. So, yep. Let's see here. All the plastic still looks great on the FJ. So we're gonna try to make the Avalanche look like this. So wish us luck. Hi there, guys. Tatanka, Buffalo Bubbles, out. We'll be back in a flash with the after video. Okay, we're back, guys. The car, or the truck, has been completely washed. Wheel wells, trim has been washed with the heavy duty degreaser. Actually, all the black trim has been degreased, and then we gave the whole truck a hand wash. So this is where we're at now. Before the application, you can see just how faded. You can see the whiting. Zebra effect right here, zebra effect all the way through here, big zebra effect. You can just see that. We're gonna try to get rid of all of that. And up here, this thing isn't even compared to the toolbox. Shadow. Look at the difference there. So we're gonna see what happens. If this is really gonna come back to black or what. It'll be really interesting to see. I'm really excited, actually, guys. We'll do back here. We're gonna start over here though, because it says, I watched the application video that said try not to do it in direct sunlight. So what I'm going to do is do this side first, and then we're gonna turn the vehicle around. turn the vehicle around and do the other side. So I'm just gonna put you down for a second and get my gloves on and get the pad out, and we'll start doing it. And I'll show you as I'm doing it how it's going on and how much of a difference it's making. So be right back. All right, here we go, guys. We're gonna start on the top here. It's a potent, but it's going on well. Around. Ooh, will it finish? Ooh, I don't know. We're gonna have enough in the pad to finish this panel. I'm gonna have to open up. Alright, we're gonna have to open up another one, I think. We got there. Nice on the top. I'd say that's quite a difference. Wow. All right. Well, it took one pad to do that. Yeah, probably maybe one pad to do all this, hopefully. Oh, 3. Oh boy. All right, we'll see what's gonna happen here. Got one down. All right, I think you got the gist here, guys. You see what's happening here. I'm gonna start making my way around here. We'll come in and out and give you before and after. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, one more pad down, and we got this whole area done. One pad. It's a little streaky over there. See how that dries. If I have another pad, I'll be going over those streaky areas with the fresh one just to level everything out. So we'll see how everything goes here. All right, we'll check back in. All right, guys, I just got done with half the truck, and I just flipped it around because I don't want to work in direct sunlight like I said before, but I think it's pretty much completely transformed all the plastic here. I'm almost thinking, I knew that this part might need a second coat, but I don't know if I'm going to have enough. I used 5 pads. You only get 10. To do the back bumper, and I actually didn't even do it all because I didn't do this part and this part, so I got to do this and that part. And we got, let's see what's going on here. Incredible, huh? Holy crap. And then I got as far as there, so I need to do this whole bumper, all of this, and this side, and up here. So, and finish off that. It's gonna be tight, boys and girls. It's gonna be tight, but I'll try to make it work. I'm just gonna let this side cool off now because it's been sitting in the sun this whole time. So we just flipped it around. So, look at that. Incredible. All right, we'll be right back. All right, here we have the final product. Holy. I think this went from, how much do these things go for nowadays? Probably about 6,000. Probably went from a $5,000-6,000 vehicle to about an $8,000 vehicle in about 6 hours. Took a little bit longer than expected. I think it was all the pine needles that I had to spray out of every freaking crack of this thing. Holy crap, it just wouldn't end. So we got her all clean. Total trim restoration. All right, now this is definitely a service I offer. If you have a Chevy Avalanche like this, or another vehicle like a Subaru or other pickup trucks that have a lot of plastic on them, and they've gotten all faded over the years, you want to figure out, or you want somebody to turn your old jalopy into something brand new looking, get a hold of me. Wow, what a transformation. I mean, I knew it was going to be pretty good, but I didn't really think it was going to be this good, but it is. A lot of elbow grease. It's beautiful. I don't think I missed any spots. If you see any spots that I missed, put them in the comments. man, wow. Probably need one more. Oh, and I guess the vote is, if you have those panels and you have a thirsty bumper like this one, this bumper probably could use a second coat. Might turn that around because it's just not quite perfect like the other panels are, but it still looks good. You got the big old grill hiding it, so couldn't get to these. Ran out of pads, so I guess it doesn't completely, if you've got the panels for the top of the bed there, you're gonna want to get two packages of the CERAKOTE. So, but that's about it. Buffalo Bubbles Mobile Detailing is out.